Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a quick cleanup in the kitchen because lately, I don't know about you guys, but with all the craziness going on, I have been in somewhat of a little funk, but I pushed myself to get myself motivated so that I can get you guys motivated. So if you have been feeling a little unmotivated, I hope that this quick 10-minute kitchen cleanup helps you get that motivation so that you can get going and do whatever it is that you have been putting off. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. To get started, I am going to be clearing off all of the countertops so that I can bring all of the dirty dishes and everything over to the sink to get those washed. And here you can see I have a lot of stuff out like sugar, flour, and all that sort because we had attempted to make some macaroons. Kailey had just been wanting to do something and she loves watching Butterbeans Cafe, which is all about baking. So I thought it'd be a great idea to just go ahead and try to make some macaroons with her, just as a fun little activity for her to do. So that's what we did, and we colored them pink so that they would be all girly and stuff, but sadly they did not turn out perfectly like we wish they would have, but either way they were still delicious even though they had odd shapes and whatever. But if you've ever tried macaroons, you know these little things are finicky, they're pretty hard to make, and we tried but it didn't work out. Maybe next time we'll have to try another batch. But yeah, once everything is cleared off, I am going to be putting away all of the dishes that were left in the sink from the day before, just putting all of those away so that I can get to washing the dirty dishes. I'm curious to know, do you guys still wash your dishes by hand or do you prefer using a dishwasher? I know growing up we've never had a dishwasher and my mom never really cared for one because in her opinion dishwashers do nothing. You still have to wash the dishes by hand because a dishwasher is not going to get them very clean, but I don't know. I kind of believe that a dishwasher would be well worth it because I do spend quite a bit of time throughout the day washing dishes. So for those of you who actually use a dishwasher, do you like it? Do you think it really does a good job at cleaning, or do you prefer to hand wash your dishes? Now that all of the dishes are washed, it is time to give the sink a good wipe down. So I'm going to just be washing the sink. It's very therapeutic. I love this part about washing the dishes. Here you guys can see all of the sugar and flour that had made its way onto the countertop. So I need to give this island a very good wipe down to get all of this off of it. And later on I will also be vacuuming and mopping the floors because I am pretty sure some of this sugar and flour made its way onto the floor. Now going in with some disinfectant wipes, I am going to wipe down all of the metal surfaces. So all of the doorknobs, the drawer handles, the light switch, the faucet, and just everything around the house, because with this craziness going on, I just want to make sure everything is nice and disinfected. So I try to do this at the very least once a day. Finally, we have made our way to the floor, so now I'm just going to give everything a good vacuuming and then come in with my old cedar spin mop to get the floors all nice and clean. And here you can see my little companion, Aiden, keeping me some company while I finish mopping these floors. And that is all for today's video. I hope you guys found the cleaning motivation you were looking for. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you are all staying safe, staying healthy, that you guys enjoy your Easter Sunday as best you can given these circumstances. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.